Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day cookies. Specifically, they're going to be Valentine's Day pizza cookies. This video probably won't be as long as some of the others, but it should still be pretty fun. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So as always, I'm going to start by outlining this cookie. I'm going to be using a tan royal icing today on the outside of this kind of squiggly heart. I chose this heart shape because I thought it kind of looked closer to a pizza crust, and if I decided to do some areas where some cheese had fallen over the edge, or you know, kind of like it was all melty and stuff, that this shape would actually give me a better option to do that. Now, for this one, I'm going to go ahead after I've done that outline, and I'm going to put another outline slightly smaller around the center, and this just creates the barrier for the icing to do the crust. Okay, so now that I've allowed that to crust for about 15 minutes, I'm going to go back in with my tan royal icing and just fill in that gap between the two outlines. So if you are enjoying this video, maybe hit the subscribe button down below, leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up. Okay, after you finish filling in the outline with the flood icing, you are going to let it crust yet again for 15 more minutes. After coming back from that 15 minutes, grab that red royal icing and start filling in the center. You could do this one of two ways. What I did was I filled it completely in with red, or you can also kind of just put different plops in places so you can see crust through it. It just kind of depends on what you want your pizza to look like. I was worried that if I left like spaces in the center, the cheese would kind of go down in there and it wouldn't look right. After you let your red crust for about 15 minutes, you're going to come back in with a super stiff white icing. This is going to be your cheese, and you are going to put the cheese all over the pizza wherever you want it. Just simple swirls. It can be one continuous loop. You can stop and, you know, dash some here, put a little there, however you want to do that. And you want to make sure that the icing is on the stiffer side, because you don't want everything to kind of, all the icing to congeal together. And it's going to give it a better look, stiffer. Now I've gone in with some sprinkles as toppings. This is just a simple Valentine's Day mix that you can pick up at Amazon or at any baking supply store. And that's all you need to do. It's as simple as that. I think it turned out really, really well. Now the upcoming picture I'm going to show you, it actually has a little pizza box. You can pick these up on Amazon, and the sticker on top comes from Etsy. If I can remember, I'll put those in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!